Are you a small business that's struggling to figure out how to make social media work for you? Stick around. I'm going to give you some tips to make this happen. Welcome back, guys. I'm Dan from MillennialMotivator.ca, and I'm going to help you guys today really wrestle with how to make social media work for you as a small business. So, if you have any questions, concerns, save them until the end, throw them in the comments below. If you're new to the channel and you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, hit that subscribe button because I put out daily content that's going to help you guys learn how to grow your business more effectively. But without further ado, let's hit it. Okay, so you're a small business. You may be an entrepreneur, you may have 1 to 10 employees, we'll even say 1 to 25 for a small business, okay guys? Now, we know that there are struggles out there for small business. We just don't have the budgets, the teams, the expertise, the skills to get done what a major corporation, an enterprise-sized corporation can get done. So, the reality is there's a lot of tools available, and now is probably the best time ever for you to get in on being a small business or an entrepreneur. There's just so much readily available to us. And I want to give you some key tips that are going to really help you focus and grow effectively. So, first up, guys, is you've got to build a brand. And this may seem just completely redundant, but for those of you that are new to small business, you've just created it, whether it's a product or a service, and you're out there building a small business, you have to consider right away your brand, okay? Who are you? What are you about? What's your product? What makes you the best above everybody else? And you got to show people that with what you're doing. So, take the YouTube channel, for example. I'm about creating, engaging, and inspiring on this channel. So, what does the branding say? It says create, engage, and inspire. That's what this is about. That's what I bring to every video. You need to do the same, whether it's a product or service. If you're selling foot spa machines, let's say. You're selling a foot spa machine, it better be the best foot spa machine because it's got bubbles and who knows, whatever goes with a foot spa machine. But the reality is this. You have to know that you're the best at what you do, whether it's a product or service, and that's got to come out. It's got to be in your branding. It's got to be in the logos. It's got to be in your font. It's got to be wherever it is. Stick to a brand. Pick some colors, pick some logos, pick some ideas. If you're not sure how, spend a little bit of money. Not a lot. I'm not talking a huge ton, but reach out to a graphic designer. Pay them the $30 an hour. Maybe it's 3 or 4 hours it takes them to build you a logo, some color schemes, and a branded motto. Like, spend that money, guys. If you're not sure how to do that, reach out to me. I'd be happy to connect you with somebody that I know that can do that. I don't do that. I've got people that I know that do that. But the reality is you've got a brand. You have to have a clear description of who you are, why people should care, and what you do. That's step one. Brand it. Okay, so you've got your branding. You're looking great online. You've got your logos, you've got your text. People just look at you right away and they go, okay, I get it. I know who you are. I know what you're about. I know what you do. So what do you do next? Guess what, guys? Content is king. Before you even consider paid ads, because honestly, for a small business, paid ads are a direction you can go, but it's money dropped when you don't need to if you're not using these other tools. So, content is king. You've got social networks left, right, and center that give you access in a way that no other medium ever has before. Billboards, newspapers, radio, TV, those guys dreamed of something like Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Twitter to reach out to a specific demographic and say, this is who I want to sell to, here's who I am, I bring in my branding, I bring in my service, my product, and I go, bam, look at the content I'm creating. It's a great way to drive customers into your funnel, bring people into your business. Let's dumb it down outside the funnel and the technical talk. You want customers to go from point A to point B. Point B being money in your pocket, okay? The easiest way to do that, to get from A to B, is this. Create content that is appealing and communicates to the needs and problems of your customers. You sell hamburgers, great. You should be putting out content that says, are you hungry? Eat this. It's really that simple. It costs you very little except for time, but you're putting time in anyway. If you guys are crafting ad campaigns and wrestling and struggling with how do I spend my money, where do I go, for you to take a picture of your product and add 2 lines of copy, it's a lot faster and a lot more effective as far as reach goes than for you struggling with ad campaigns and where should I brand and where should I go. And again, if you're not sure about which internet campaigns you should be, or which internet platforms you should be on, you know, Google Plus, YouTube, Kick, Snapchat, Orkut, you name it, whatever the networks are that are out there, there's so many. If you're not sure which way to go, you can always reach out to me. I'm happy to help you guys out. I do these consultations. I'm more than happy to walk you guys through how you should be attacking these social networks and how to build a campaign around a strategy that's going to bring those people from A to B. All right. Last but not least, guys, and this goes along with some of the other videos that we've done in the past, but the reality is this. It's not enough just to put content out there. It's important. It's key. It's critical that you do that. It's a foundational step to build awareness online, locally or internationally or nationally, wherever you're reaching to your demographic. But once you put the content out there, the key is this: engage. Don't just pick up your phone and go, okay, well, I put out an Instagram photo today. Let's see. Okay, there's 30 likes and 10 comments, and don't ignore that. 30 likes means 30 people engage with the communication that you put out there. Engage back. Reach out to those people. Thanks for the like. Are you hungry? Do you like burgers? Do you need a foot spa? You know, whatever it may be, guys. You've got to engage once you put that content out there. You're going to find really quickly that if you as a small business or an entrepreneur, selfpreneur, solopreneur, whatever the term is that you want to use, if you guys put out consistent content and engage with the community that is hitting you up, you're going to see sales come in like you've never seen with your failed paid ad campaigns, okay? So this is a simple way, a no-cost way for you to take your business, use social media effectively, use your content effectively once you've branded it, to reach out, engage, and then convert that A to B system. Okay, it's that easy, guys. Be there, be present, be yourself, be genuine. Create content that reflects what it is that you bring to the table and what you can offer people. And then take that and engage with the people that love what you put out. The more you do that, the more it will grow. You'll see things like your reach expand. You'll see more engagement with your posts. More engagement means more sales. It just builds on itself, but you have to be committed to the process. All right, guys? Now, last but not least, and this is not something that I'm going to downplay because paid ads is a reality. It is a beast that you need to tackle at some point. So we'll call this the bonus advice. But the reality is this: if you are going to get into paid ads as a small business, please, please, please reach out, spend the money, find a consultant, find somebody that works in digital marketing and reach out to them, even if it's for an hour, 2 hours. Just to get an overview strategy. You've got to at least start with that. Because I promise this, whatever you spend on your initial campaigns where you're playing with it and trying to figure things out, that's money that's going to be wasted. Because had you spent that same amount of money reaching out to a professional and having them craft a campaign for you, they're going to make you a lot more money faster than you just taking darts and throwing them blindly at the paid ad board. Okay, guys? Take the time, invest properly, but first and foremost, brand, create content, and engage the community. That's it for today, guys. Question of the day is, which of these strategies are you going to try to implement in your small business? Let me know down in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell if you want to get my next video. Daily, Monday through Saturday, I'm here giving small business entrepreneurs tips and tricks to grow successfully and create sales. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day.